Okay, I'm going to put together a quick video here on setting up and troubleshooting the Vive 8-inch alternating pressure mattress. I've got it set up right now. First thing we'll do is kind of go over some of the controls and the inputs information on the pump. Right now you see the pressure adjusting here. This pressure is the pressure inside the mattress itself. This is millimeters of mercury per kilogram. Similar measurement to PSI, pounds per square inch. Right now, you saw the pressure drop down to 16, 17 millimeters here. What that means is the chambers just switched over. So at first we had one set of chambers inflated. What it's just done is alternate over. So right now it's detecting the air pressure in the chambers that it just activated. So that pressure is significantly lower than in some of the others. And you can feel that as you sort of test the different zones here on the mattress. You'll see this pressure climb. Normally it'll be between 10 and 60. You'll see that number. It shouldn't ever go much higher than 63, 65. If that's the case, then the pump's probably working a little too hard and it might strain it. You'll see some of the controls here: power button, increase pressure, decrease. Static stops the alternating mode, so it'll just lock the pressure in with whatever is in there. Pressure monitor. If that light is green, that means the pressure's, it's detecting a good pressure inside. It's within acceptable parameters. The seat inflating mode, you'll activate that if you want to put the bed, if you want to bring the head of the bed up, if you want to sit up. Lock, unlock, basically just locks down the controls. It'll automatically lock if no one messes with the controls within 2 minutes. And all you have to do is just press and hold until that light goes out. Now it's unlocked. If this light is flashing, that generally means that the pressure is very low. That could just mean that the pressure's been adjusted and the chambers are compensating. Generally, that blinking light will go out when the pressure monitor light comes back on. To adjust some of the settings, you can go hard, you can go soft. What this measure is, when you see these 3 digits that just appeared, that is the actual patient's weight on there. And that'll adjust quite a bit. I believe it'll adjust up to 400 pounds normally. All you'll need to do is just bump it up to whatever measure you want it to be at. And then on the next cycle, the pressure will start to build back up in anticipation of resisting that weight on it. What you will see sometimes is if weight gets added to it, the air pressure number will jump. That's just because the pump is reading added resistance. It's reading more pressure coming back up the line. That's nothing to be concerned about. That number will fluctuate. And it'll fluctuate just based on the weight of the person who's on it. So we've adjusted some of these. What we can do is we can just lock that back down if we need to. What we can also do, let's unlock it. We set it to static mode. Pressure goes away. It'll stop alternating. Whatever air is inside it will be locked inside it. The mattress it's a low air loss system. So if we were to turn the power off, the air inside would stay inside the mattress as well. The only way you would vent the air is if you disconnected the hose either from the pump or from the mattress. We've got it set up down here at the foot of the bed. Most users will have it set up there just for convenience sake so that someone can get to the pump even if there's a patient on the bed. I'll go around the mattress now and show a little bit of the points you want to address when setting it up. First thing you obviously want to do, get the mattress laid out, hang the pump, connect the air hose, plug it in. Before you actually activate it, what you'll need to do is get it strapped down. Now you want the straps to be loose at first until the mattress fully inflates. That inflation should take roughly 45-50 minutes, and I'll show you that here. Okay. Right here you'll see a couple of the points on the mattress that you really need to be careful about. This here is the CPR valve. Now, these gray rubber plugs plug up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes in the mattress. If there are compressions or resuscitation that need to be made, what you'll do is you'll pull this out and it'll rapidly vent the air. One thing you'll want to make sure of when you're setting the pump up is that all of these plugs are plugged very tightly with the stoppers on the red handle. If not, the mattress won't inflate, the pump will work and work and work, and eventually it'll start to beep just nonstop because it detects that no matter how hard it tries, it can't get the mattress inflated, so it thinks there's something wrong. Normally you won't mess with this. This is up here. This is on the right-hand side of the head of the mattress. I've just taken the side rail off to kind of demonstrate that a little better. Next to it, we have one of the three, let's set that up. One of the three spots here where you can actually strap the mattress down to the bed frame. Make sure that when you strap it down, if it's an adjustable hospital bed, if you can, raise the seat, raise the knees, what have you, that you don't wrap the straps around the bottom frame of the bed. You want to get them in between so that they're around the adjustable frame, but not around the base frame. Otherwise, when you try and increase the height, increase the angle, what have you, you won't be able to, and you could damage both the mattress itself and the bed frame, the motor that elevates the bed frame, what have you. Pretty simple here to get them attached. It's a lot like a backpack strap. There's two little, they're called D-rings. You run the strap up through both D-rings at once, then separate them, bring it back down around just through the bottom D-ring, and pull it tight. What you can also do, you can also leave them a little loose in case you want them, in case you're going to be adjusting the bed a lot, just to make sure that when the bed's elevated, that they're still able to be secured. Once the bed is elevated, you can then tighten them back down again so that you know sort of where the threshold is. There's three of these. They're all on the right side of the mattress as you're laying on the bed. First one obviously is right here by the CPR. Next one's about a foot further down, and so on toward the foot of the bed. Okay. The sound you're now hearing, that constant beep, is caused by one of two things. Either the pump has tried and tried and tried over the 45-50 minutes it normally takes to inflate the mattress, and it still can't get the air pressure right, in which case there will still be power here, or there's been a power loss. I've just unplugged the mattress. All you'll need to do to get that beep to stop is press the power button. I've got us plugged back in. It should resume as normal. If that beep keeps going off, there's likely an air leak somewhere in the mattress. What you can do is you can actually unzip this cover. The blue cover will come off and you'll see all the sort of internal air chambers and air ducts inside. Go through there while the pump is running, while the mattress is plugged in. Feel for any air leaks. Like I said earlier, the most common cause of an air leak is not having the CPR valve fully plugged up. So make sure that all 6 of the little rubber stoppers on that red CPR handle are plugged into the 6 holes in the CPR valves near the head. And that should be just about it. Mattress can be left on 24/7. It can be turned off when it's not in use. Like I said earlier, if the power is turned off on it, so long as the air hose is not disconnected from the pump or the mattress, and then the air inside will remain inside, and you'll be all set.